Mema kwaba enfama web tech tube so web tech tube a channel education for technology what I say. Yes, so this is a channel that we do more of technology on how to do something. We reveal secret people any public. So on web tech tube me the to say also what me I do where a gym secret air quality what I say. So today we are going to learn how to get quality, proper, smooth data bundle. What I say, our network, so maybe so anya 30 gigabyte at a very low price. What I say, it's very cheap. 10 Ghana, 20 Ghana, 30 Ghana. It's very simple. And answer for phone, or telephone, or telephone, and your smartphone. Okay. You have to make sure you are using the correct network for this particular tutorial. You are going to use Airteltigo. 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 Intino. With the code name more. What I say? Answer no. So subscribe on my channel. Web Tech Tube. Subscribe we are now turning notification. Say be a melody video be a what me anya. Or inbox na what me akwa. We show you na say you far. And I say what me asua be fufura na wa send the video no ama unua na wadanfo no so atimi asua de fufuro. All right, ntino wo fa phone na wako baby a wo dale o numbers no na wa dale star 499 hash na wa send o Airteltigo so unyanto Airteltigo our pet Airteltigo at all. The first offer is very cheap, 30 Ghana. You are going to get 30 gig for 30 days. Now a 4G, a run fast for those who love browsing. In fact, this one is very good for you. And a number 2 year 20 gig for 20 series, 20 gig for 20 series for 20 good days. In fact, a more than and a 10 gigabytes for 10 CD for 10 days, 10 gigabytes for 10 CD for 10 days. 10 gigabytes is cool. And I say what dial star 499 hash. Now I send and our chooses are offer. Me this is a video one who means what here. It's a video available now on what may enjoy this particular data offer air so or Airteltigo my phone. Medasi medobisia na Mr. Yeah, then a moment on push this video, push it. Yeah.